Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my sidekicks a bit today. So happy you're here because we're going to be opening my latest Armoire collection. Can't wait to get into this. If you're not familiar, Armoire is an amazing premium rental service, so you can have a revolving closet continuously. It's awesome. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. Sienna is the tan. Harvey is the kitty. Not sure we're going to see everybody today, but we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, as I mentioned, Armoire is all about making life easy with their rental subscription, and they have several different options that you can choose from that meets your needs. They call this a case when you get your new items, and you can pick them yourself or you can have a stylist pick them. I had a stylist pick all of mine this time around. You can also put items on your wish list that you can be tracking or like in your closet, and then you can watch those or wear them on repeat. So if you want to get them again, you certainly can. They have everything from athleisure to formal. Price ranges of these items are around $60 up to $500-600, so you could really glam it up. Wear those premium designer pieces if you want it, or just stick with your favorite brands. So many options, right? For formal, for cruises, for vacation getaways, for those special events, or just for every day. They also have maternity, so you can't go wrong. All right, let's see my collection this time. And I do what's called the unlimited subscription, which means that I get 6 pieces at a time, and I can rotate them as often as I want throughout the month. So I always have new items to wear. They have 2 other options though, and I'll go through all those in just a minute. So first up is a Lilly Pulitzer dress. This is very pretty, very bright. Has like the poofy sleeves. It's long with a slit on the side. That's the first item. I asked for, I think, fun packing knit dresses. Next up is another Lilly Pulitzer dress. This one is a little bit more dressy and would be nice for work. Has a little bit of that poofy sleeve. Can you see that pattern going through the fabric? Has a zip up the back. That is super cute. Next up, this is by Lilla P, and it's another cute little dress. I like that it has all the eyelets, but then it has the lining inside. You guys can see that, especially with the background of the sky there. That is really pretty. Buttons down the front, short sleeve. Then we have something from Beach Lunch Lounge. This is a little tie front top. And what is this? This is something from Faherty. That's pretty. Like a flowy little top. Love all that seaming detail. Do you see that back there? The pattern is really pretty. Almost like a placard front there, all that seaming. Tie front. And then the last item is also by Lilla P, and it's a cute little tee. Mixed media, check that out. Ribbed only in the body. That's super cute too, right? Yeah, I like that color. All right, so we're gonna get to my try on in just a minute. Let me see, I wanna go over the cases with you, so your case choices. So you can choose the one that I just explained, which is the unlimited option. And as I mentioned, you get 6 items to rotate as often as you like. So you always have new clothes in your closet, and you don't have to send back what you have until you've received the new items. So you, again, always have items to wear. That one is $249 a month for unlimited items. If you use my link, you'll get 50% off your first collection plus 2 bonus items. So that takes your first collection down to $124.50, or your first month. If you don't need all that, they have a 7-item capsule. which is $119 a month. And then but the difference is that it's not unlimited. So you get 7 items. You just wear them for the month as much as you want. And keep on, you don't have to wash any of these clothes. When they come back, they go through a special cleansing process. So, but you can wear them as if they're your own. So 7 items to wear as much as you like for the entire month. Then you get new ones for the next month, send back the others. Then, if that's still too much, you don't need all that, they have a 4-item capsule. And that means that you get 4 items to wear for the entire month, and then you get new ones for the next month, and you can rotate them out. And that one is $89 a month. So for the 7-item, if you use my link, you'll get 35% off plus the 2 bonus items. And for the 4-item capsule, you'll get 25% off using my link plus 2 bonus items. I think this is such a fun service. They give you a label in the bag. You put it right back on the bag whenever you're ready to send everything back. It's so, so easy, free shipping. All right, let's get to my try on and see how we like these pieces. First dress. Okay, so this is a perfect rental dress because it's something that I typically would not add to my closet. It's not my normal style, but it's fun. It would be great to wear once and get that wonderful pop of color and that different style that you typically don't go for. So this one is by Lilly Pulitzer. It has the little elastic sleeves here that make that little bit of the poof out. It's nice and fitted through the bodice, which is really nice. It has seams right here. This pattern really pops. It's a maxi dress. With the slit the whole way down here. Comes right to above the knee, like right above the knee here. What do you think of this one? I like it. And it fits really, really well. And this is a size 2, which is my normal size. So it is called the Side Slits Kimberle Stretch Maxi Dress. The retail of this is $298. If I wanted to purchase it, it'd be 48% off at $155. So yes, you do get to an opportunity that if you feel like you can't part with something, you could purchase it, which is another great part of Armoire. And you always, always get a discount. Let's do another outfit. Another great Lilly Pulitzer dress. This one in a nice solid green, but has this pattern throughout the body throughout the whole entire dress. Has the little sleeve here that comes in and gets a little tighter, but not too tight around the arm, that poofy sleeve. Seam detailing. It's a nice length. It fits really, really well. It has a zipper down the back, just for a little more visual interest in the gold. I'm enjoying this one. It'd be great for in office or just a fun weekend dress. So this is called the Lilly Pulitzer Knowles Elbow Sleeve Jacquard Mini Dress. I'm wearing a size small. It's $198 retail. If I wanted to purchase it, I get 50% off at $99. Next up, now we have the Lilla P dress. This one is super interesting as it has all this eyelet and then it has the built-in dress, like the dress, and it's a spaghetti strap style. It is attached up here at the shoulder, button down the front. It's a lot of nice room around my hip and bum area. This feels like a nice, easy, breezy dress, work from home or weekend or dinner out. I feel like you could do so much with this. It's probably, again, not one I would pick, but I'm finding it very comfortable and I'm enjoying it. Alright, so this one is called the Lilla P Eyelet Short Sleeve Cotton Shirt Dress. It retails for $178, but if I wanted to keep it, it'd be $125 at 30% off. Not bad. Alright, so I'm loving the boho vibes from this Faherty top. Look how pretty this is. Has the little V-neck, the little tie front. You can leave it tied, don't tie it. The great little print, seaming detail. Has elastic at the sleeve, but it's very flowy and movie. Has great movability. I did a front tuck, but you could leave it out. Looks cute with jeans. It look cute with pants. Not boxy, comes in here at the waist. You can see her at the high waist. Very, very pretty. And this one is called the Solstice Balloon Sleeve Blouse by Faherty. I'm wearing a size small. $228 is the retail. If I want to keep it, I get 20% off at $182. But you don't need to keep it. You can just wear it as much as you want and then switch it out for something else. Now for the beach lunch. What is it called? I lost it as soon as I went to say it. Beach lunch lounge top. So this is very lightweight, feels really nice on, tie in the front, button down front. Has the little cuffs here at the arm. Very cozy, love the pink and white stripe. This is a definite nice, easy, work from home type top. It'd also be cute over a bathing suit with cutoffs, don't you think? Alright, so this one is called the Rosie Cabana tie front button down. I'm wearing an extra small. $58 is the retail. If I wanted to keep it, I get 25% off at $44. And I have one last item for you. Last item is this Lilla P top I am in love with. This one is adorable with this V front, the cute little mixed pattern. I love it with the sleeves being like a cotton and this being a ribbed. So, so nice. The color just pops. I did a little front tuck. Such an easy look for your day. And this is so, so comfortable. I really am enjoying this one. As I mentioned, this one is by Lilla P, and it is called the Woven Sleeve Split Neck Top. I'm wearing an extra small. It's $128 retail. If I wanted to keep it, it'd be 25% off at $96. And that is all my pieces. What did you think? This was fun, right? I actually liked all of them, and when I first saw them in the preview, I wasn't sure, but that's the joy of getting things you typically won't choose and getting a chance to try them on and wear them. I will list all these items down below in case you would like to add any of them to your case. I will put my link to Armoire in case you would like to give this service a try. I do think it is really fabulous, especially if you just don't want to continuously buy clothes and clog up your closet. This is the way to go. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.